In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a box plot in Excel. A box plot, also called a box and whisker chart, is a great way to visualize the spread and distribution of your data, showing the median, the middle 50% of values, and any potential outliers at a glance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can quickly turn a raw data range into a clear statistical snapshot. Start by selecting the details in your worksheet cells that you want to analyze. Click and drag to highlight a single continuous block of numeric data. If you have category labels like headers at the top of each column, include them in your selection so Excel can label the chart automatically. Keep your selection clean. Avoid blank rows or mixed text and numbers inside the same range. Each column can represent a different group or category, and each row within that column should be a measurement. The more consistent your data layout, the clearer the box plot will be. Once your data is selected, head to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. This is the home for all charting tools. You'll find it across the top of the window alongside Home, Formulas, and other tabs. If your screen is small and some options are collapsed, look for the Charts section. Excel may group icons, but everything you need will still be there. Next, choose the Statistical Charts option. It's the button that opens a menu of charts designed for data analysis, including histograms, Pareto charts, and, importantly, the box and whisker chart. Hovering over the icon usually reveals a tooltip that says something like Insert Statistic Chart, which helps you confirm you're in the right place. Now click Box and Whisker. Excel immediately builds the chart from your selected range and places it on your worksheet. Here's what you're seeing. The line inside each box marks the median. The box edges show the first and third quartiles, the middle 50% of your data, and the whiskers extend to show the typical range beyond that box. Any separate dots may indicate potential outliers. If your data is organized by columns, you'll typically get one box per column, making comparisons straightforward. That's all there is to it. Select your data, go to Insert, open Statistical Charts, and choose Box and Whisker. With those clicks, you've turned raw numbers into an insightful visualization that highlights central tendency, variability, and unusual values. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your data with confidence.